Hello, friends. Welcome to this training session programming with JavaScript by Frozencode Lab. I am Altaf Hooker. I have more than 13 plus years of development experience. My expertise is to build scalable and easy to enhance software architecture. Let me introduce what is the Frozencode Lab. The Frozencode Lab is a tiny micro startup. It is a software solution company that provides the digital solutions using the cutting edge technologies. The coding school is the training program initiated by Frozencode Lab as a gesture of social responsibilities. So we train interns and we train them and give them industrial exposures using the programming languages. Introduction of training program. So let me tell you about how this a little bit more about the program. In this training program you will learn a basic concepts of programming using the JavaScript. You will understand what is JavaScript, so basic concept of JavaScript, and the how to use the JavaScript with practical examples. So why we choose the JavaScript? So JavaScript is a programming language is on demand. So using JavaScript, you can build front-end app, you can build back-end app, you can build web API, you can build blockchain app, and you can build front-end and back-end. You can build mobile app as well. So JavaScript is on demand. So that's why we use JavaScript in this program. So let's have some track record of this training program by Coding School of Frozencode. So I started this training program by one intern, one person. And then the second batch, I have 2 to 3 interns. And then in the third batch, in this current batch, I received almost 40 plus requests to attend the program within a couple of hours. So I would like to thank you, all of you, for this overwhelming response. We have a track record of to train some interns who doing their graduation in computer science, and now they are working in industry. We train them and give them the industrial training exposures. You can take their feedback. You can discuss with them. You can go to our site frozencodelab.com. We have those details on our site. So we have almost 40 plus requests from you, and there are more graduate from computer science. There are a couple of undergraduates and HSC pass attendees. So we have created some groups and assigned the candidate to the right groups, so based on their computer science background. This all entire program will be in English, and we try to create this the content of this program in simple and well explained English, so you can understand concepts. Okay, so there are some rules and regulations that you have to follow, and I will expect all of you will strictly follow this. You have to maintain some discipline by respecting all the individuals, follow the instructions, and do the assignment properly. We will do this in some evening time, so this will not disturb your current any schedule. If you are working, if you are taking training from anywhere, or if you are a student, you're going to college or anything, we will continue this session remotely, mostly after 6 or 7 p.m. So have some patience and energy to learn new things. All the best.